Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can pay monthly SIP in Groww app. A SIP or systematic investment plan is a method of investing in mutual funds where you invest a fixed amount regularly, like monthly, instead of making a large lump sum investment. So how you can pay monthly in Groww app? First, open Groww app from your phone and log in with your credentials. Then you will see all your mutual funds. Select one of them. Then after selecting one of them, then from here select your bank. Then now from here select monthly SIP from here. Then enter the amount of your SIP. Then select proceed from here. After that you have to select SIP date, then select pay now, and then you add your payment method, and then follow the prompts to pay your SIP, and that's it. That's how you can pay monthly SIP in Groww app.